Alright, so Donald Trump just launched his very own meme coin on Solana yesterday. It ran up to over $30 billion in fully diluted value, went straight up to the top 30 on CoinMarketCap, over $5 billion in market cap. In the last 24 hours, it's done more volume than other tokens like Dogecoin, like Pepe, BNB, etc. It's absolutely crazy out there. Hopefully some of you guys caught the Trump token and made some money off of it. But today I want to show you exactly how you can maximize your own returns anytime something like this happens. Obviously, it won't happen that often that a president launches a coin, but there is pretty often that we have a new massive meme coins go absolutely bananas on Solana. And you want to make sure you have the right tools and knowledge to actually capitalize on it. And I also want to show you how you can make a lot of money off of situations like this without taking the risk of just purchasing the token itself, or how you can make even more money than just to purchase the token itself. So two things today: make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. But let's take a look at this guy who made 2000%, put in $450,000 and now is holding over $8 million in Trump. Or this guy who put in 400,000 and has over $1.2 million in profit. Or this guy who made 650% from 450k to $3.3 million. What do they all have in common? They're all using GmGn. This is a trading bot, definitely one of the fastest on the market. You can see even how quickly it's updating the live transactions or purchases and sales on this token. It's absolutely nuts. And they also have incredible transaction speeds and a lot of other really cool features to make sure you don't miss out on any tokens like this, because they have this trending feature where you can see all the trending tokens, not just on the 24-hourly, even on the 1 minute. So you can see every single minute which tokens are hot and trading a lot of volume. You can see that Trump is on number 3 right now. And right after this launched yesterday, the Trump token would definitely be on the number 1 spot on this trending 1 minute page. So this is a great way to make sure you never miss out on any trendy tokens. But if we go to this copy trading feature, they obviously allow you to copy other profitable traders, but I'm going to make a separate video on that feature itself. But what I wanted to show you here is all the different wallets you can track. They basically give you all the wallets with the highest PNL in the last 7 days, last 1 day, 30 day, and you can sort them from Pump Fun. You can have Smart Money. This guy has made 1,200% in the last 7 days, over $4.2 million. Most of that actually came today, so I assume that's from the Trump token. You also have this KOL and VC option where they actually give you the profiles of the different people and wallets you are copying or following. And if you click on this X button, for example, it actually brings you over to their profile, so you know exactly who it is you are copying. And if you click on his profile or any wallet, you can see all of his recent activity, his active holdings, his recent PNL, his win rate. 87% is really good. Last 7 days, over 900%, $8.6 million. Absolutely mind-blowing. You can follow him, you can copy trade him. And the last thing I want to say about these guys is that they just released their iOS and Android app as well. So it makes it super easy to switch between trading on your computer and your mobile phone. So you can always have your trades super easily accessible with their app as well as their website trading platform, obviously. So if you want to try out this platform, I will leave my referral link down below. It helps support me and you get less fees on their platform. But if you want to get into meme coins, this is the first thing you need to make sure you have: an actual good and reliable trading platform that is super quick and that actually gives you alpha like I've just shown you. But I also want to show you how you can actually make money or make fees from these high volatility and high volume token launches without actually risking all of your money by just buying the token itself. Easy Eats Bodega, highly recommend you follow him over on Twitter. He recently tweeted that he set up a liquidity pool on the Trump token when he went to bed last night. This was his fees: $400 in Trump and $500 in Solana. When he woke up this morning, which is 6 hours ago, it's probably even higher now, the fees were at $13,000 in Trump tokens and $9,000 in Solana. So how this works is you would go over to Meteora, which is where the liquidity lies for these tokens, and you can create your own pool. Basically just choose the token you want to create a liquidity pool for, or the easier way, you can add liquidity into one of these existing pools. For example, this Trump to Solana liquidity pool. You can choose whichever one of these pools you want. Let's choose the biggest one, and you can add your own liquidity. You can choose the size yourself of the position, and you can choose if you want it to be spot or curved or bid-ask. I know that this might seem confusing, and I haven't done this loads either. I'm definitely no expert, but the way Easy set up this pool, he did 0.2% in fees on the Trump to Solana pool, one-sided with $35,000 in Trump. I know that might seem like a lot of money, which it is obviously, but you don't have to put in that amount. You can put in whichever amount you want. And then because the Trump token went up in price and Solana went up in price, the amount he put in to the pool is now up as well, worth almost $40,000, plus all the money he's made in fees, which is over $20,000. Now do note that sometimes it might be more profitable to just buy the token itself and hold it if it goes up a lot at least, but doing something like this actually decreases your risk because you're not necessarily as exposed to the token price. You can earn fees even if the price goes down. And Easy does have a full tutorial breakdown of how he sets up these liquidity pools on his YouTube channels. So I will leave his video link down below in the description. So if you want to check that out after this video, highly recommend you to do so. It's definitely worth learning a bit about liquidity pools and how they work and how you can make money off of them. And now whenever a new massive meme coins launches and goes on the market, you will be ready. You will be able to catch it really quick if you keep an eye on the 1 minute trending. If you also keep an eye on the insider wallets or the KOL wallets here on GmGn, because they very often have some inside information and get onto these trades super quickly. And you now know that there's not just one way to make money from these high volatility, high volume meme coins. There are actually multiple ways, such as providing liquidity. So as I said, if you want less fees on GmGn and want to check it out, it's a great trading platform. I will leave the link down below. I'm going to be making more videos on GmGn moving forward as well, such as their sniper, their copy trading feature, similar to what I did with the Nova bot a few weeks ago. Let me know if you also want a full tutorial of this platform or anything else here on this channel. If you're also looking for the best exchange on the market, check out my Phemex link down below and you can get up to $4,800 in welcome rewards. The cool thing with Phemex is that they also recently launched this MemeX platform on their exchange, basically a meme coin trading platform within the exchange itself. So if you just want to be on a centralized exchange trading all of these meme coins, such as the Trump token, you can do so on Phemex. It makes it super easy to trade these meme coins, as you can tell right here on their MemeX platform. So I will leave my Phemex link down below as well. If you enjoyed the video, smash a like and subscribe down below. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you guys later. Peace.